Ever wondered why Ethereum, one of the most powerful blockchain platforms, grapples with scaling issues? Let's break it down. Imagine Ethereum as a superhighway, but instead of cars, it's transactions. Now, as the traffic increases, the highway can become congested. That's the scaling dilemma. Ethereum can only process a certain number of transactions at a time, which can lead to slower speeds and higher costs, or gas fees. This is where Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling solutions come into the picture. So what exactly is this mysterious Layer 2? Let's delve into the heart of this enigma, shall we? Picture a bustling highway. It's filled to the brim with cars, all heading to different destinations. This is your Ethereum blockchain, also known as Layer 1. But as more cars join, traffic slows down and congestion builds up. It's a classic problem. Too many cars, not enough lanes. And with every car representing a transaction, delays start to mount, and costs rise as a result. Now imagine if we could add more lanes to this highway. Traffic would flow smoothly, wouldn't it? More cars could join without causing congestion, and everyone would reach their destination faster. That's exactly what Layer 2 does for the Ethereum blockchain. Layer 2 is like a superhighway built on top of the existing Ethereum highway. It's a secondary network that operates independently but still closely connected to the main Ethereum blockchain. But how does it work? Well, instead of processing each transaction individually on the congested Ethereum highway, Layer 2 bundles multiple transactions together. It's like a carpool lane, where multiple passengers or transactions share a ride. This bundled transaction is then processed as a single entity on the Ethereum blockchain, significantly speeding up the process and reducing costs. Not only does this make transactions faster and cheaper, but it also frees up space on the Ethereum highway, allowing for better scalability. But Layer 2 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It comes in various forms, each with its own unique approach to improving Ethereum's scalability. Some Layer 2 solutions act like express lanes, processing transactions off the main blockchain before settling the final balance. Others operate like side roads, running parallel to the main Ethereum highway and only interacting when necessary. In essence, Layer 2 solutions make Ethereum faster and cheaper to use. So, next time you're stuck in a traffic jam on the Ethereum highway, remember the superhighway above. It's Layer 2, your fast track to smoother, speedier, and more cost-effective Ethereum transactions. Not all Layer 2 solutions are created equal. There are different flavors to choose from. So let's dive in and explore the various types of Layer 2 solutions. First up, we have state channels. Imagine you and a friend are playing a game of chess over the internet. Instead of recording every single move on the Ethereum blockchain, which would be slow and expensive, you could open a state channel. This allows the two of you to make as many moves as you want, off-chain, and only the final state of the game is recorded on the blockchain. This way, state channels provide a fast, private, and low-cost solution for interactions that involve multiple transactions between the same parties. Next, we have Plasma. Plasma is like creating a mini blockchain, a child chain, if you will, that runs alongside the Ethereum main chain, the parent chain. The child chain can process transactions faster and at a lower cost. But don't worry, Plasma has a safety mechanism. If anything goes wrong on the child chain, users can always fall back on the security of the parent chain. Finally, let's talk about rollups. Rollups are a bit like a hybrid of state channels and Plasma. They bundle or roll up many transactions into a single one, reducing the amount of data that needs to be stored on the blockchain. There are two types of rollups: ZK rollups, which use zero-knowledge proofs for data compression, and optimistic rollups, which rely on game theory for security. While ZK rollups offer better scalability and privacy, optimistic rollups provide a more generalized platform for smart contracts. Each of these Layer 2 solutions, state channels, Plasma, and rollups, have unique features and use cases. They are designed to complement one another, providing different tools for different situations. Remember, the goal here isn't to find a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather to build a toolbox of options that can cater to a wide range of needs. Each Layer 2 solution has its pros and cons, but they all aim to address Ethereum's scaling issue. Now let's see how these Layer 2 solutions work in the real world. Imagine for a moment you're a digital artist or a musician and you want to mint your own NFT. You are faced with the dilemma of high transaction fees on the Ethereum network. This is where Layer 2 solutions come into play. Platforms like Immutable X, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, has already made strides in making this process more affordable and efficient. With zero gas fees for peer-to-peer trading, it's transforming the way creators interact with the blockchain. Then there's Loopring, a Layer 2 solution that leverages zero-knowledge proofs to increase transaction speed and reduce costs. It's primarily used for decentralized exchanges, allowing users to trade assets without worrying about high fees or slow confirmation times. And let's not forget about Matic Network, now known as Polygon. The platform combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a full-fledged multi-chain system. This Layer 2 solution has gained significant traction due to its ability to process transactions at a much higher speed while keeping the fees low, thus enhancing the user experience. These successful implementations of Layer 2 solutions are not just about faster transactions or lower fees. They are fundamentally changing the way we interact with the Ethereum ecosystem. For instance, the rise of Layer 2 solutions has led to the evolution of decentralized finance, or DeFi. With faster and cheaper transactions, DeFi applications are becoming more accessible to the average user, opening up a world of possibilities from yield farming to decentralized lending. Similarly, the gaming industry is witnessing the emergence of blockchain-based games, thanks to Layer 2 solutions. Games like Axie Infinity have integrated Ronin, a Layer 2 solution, to provide a seamless gaming experience with quick transactions and minimal fees. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Layer 2 solutions are paving the way for a more inclusive, efficient, and scalable Ethereum ecosystem. They are enabling new use cases, attracting more users, and fostering innovation in the blockchain space. But most importantly, they are democratizing access to the Ethereum network. Whether you're a digital artist, a trader, a gamer, or just someone curious about the world of crypto, Layer 2 solutions are making it easier and more affordable for everyone to participate in the Ethereum ecosystem. Layer 2 solutions are already making a big difference in the Ethereum world. What does the future hold for Ethereum scaling? Well, the future looks quite exciting, teeming with possibilities and innovations. The ongoing development of Layer 2 solutions and the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade are set to further improve the scalability of Ethereum, potentially revolutionizing the way we conduct transactions on the Ethereum network. Layer 2 solutions are evolving at a rapid pace, with developers around the globe working diligently to enhance their functionality and efficiency. These solutions are expected to significantly reduce transaction costs and increase transaction speed, making Ethereum more accessible and practical for everyday use. From state channels to plasma chains and rollups, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the Ethereum network. But the development doesn't stop there. Ethereum 2.0, also known as ETH2 or Serenity, is on the horizon. This upgrade promises to bring a host of improvements to the Ethereum network, including a switch from the current proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake. This change alone could dramatically increase the speed of transactions and reduce the energy consumption of the network. Additionally, ETH2 introduces shard chains, smaller chains that run in parallel to the main Ethereum chain, further enhancing scalability. What's more, these advancements are not just theoretical, they're happening right now. Developers are already testing and refining these solutions, preparing for a future where Ethereum can handle a much larger volume of transactions without compromising on security or decentralization. The future of Ethereum scaling is not just about making the network faster or cheaper. It's about making Ethereum more robust, more secure, and more versatile. It's about opening up new possibilities for developers and users alike, from decentralized finance and gaming to supply chain management and beyond. So when we talk about the future of Ethereum scaling, we're talking about a future where Ethereum becomes an even more integral part of our digital lives. We're talking about a future where the benefits of blockchain technology are realized on a grand scale. The future of Ethereum scaling looks promising, thanks to Layer 2 solutions. So, we've journeyed through the world of Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling solutions. We've explored the dilemma of scalability, where we learned that as Ethereum grows, so too does the demand for faster, more efficient transactions. Enter Layer 2, Ethereum's answer to these growing pains. Layer 2 solutions, built atop the original blockchain, offer a promising path towards greater scalability without compromising on security. We dove into the different types of Layer 2 solutions, from state channels to sidechains, each offering unique approaches to enhance Ethereum's capacity. We saw these solutions in action, demonstrating just how they can improve transaction speed and reduce costs, all while maintaining Ethereum's foundational commitment to decentralization. Looking ahead, the future of Ethereum scaling is bright. As these Layer 2 solutions continue to evolve and mature, they'll only further enhance Ethereum's capabilities, paving the way for a more efficient, more inclusive digital economy. Remember, when it comes to Ethereum, scaling isn't a problem. It's an opportunity for innovation.